Challenges faced by wastewater plants include odor control, performance, operating costs, biosolids handling and disposal, hydraulic and organic overloading, and the buildup of fats, oils, and greases, in other words, organic solids that are not broken down by the normal activated sludge processes. And in some cases, we see effluent quality challenges in terms of ammonia and suspended solids, BOD, and nitrates. So if we look at a wastewater plant, typical wastewater plant configuration, if our product is introduced at the head end of the plant, we see the reduction of odors and the breakdown of fog right in the wet well. And we see that odor control lasting through the grit removal stage, through the primary clarifier operation, and we start to see some reduction of fats, oils, and greases at the same time, reduction of scum, and actually some reduction of BOD under anoxic conditions. That's further enhanced in the anoxic treatment phase of BNR plants, again, where we impact the generation of odors in a positive way. We reduce fog, and scum layers are also reduced. Once the wastewater conditioned with the micronutrient hits the aeration sections, we see a significant drop in energy demand and a significant drop in biosolids formation. We enhance the nitrification process, and we see a drop in fog and foam and scum. Result is that clarifiers will operate more effectively, the mixed liquor will have better settling characteristics, and there'll be a significant reduction of floating sludges if that's an issue. The net effect on solids going to holding tanks or thickening tanks is we are impacting the odor in these solids, reducing the volumes, requiring further dewatering and disposal. And if the solids are then processed through an anaerobic digester, we see with a second addition rate of our micronutrient, we will stimulate the anaerobic digestion process to be more effective and efficient, and we'll see gas productions and volumes increase. The net result is that as solids are dewatered for sludge disposal, we tend to eliminate the typical odors associated, especially with plants that do not go through an anaerobic digestion step in the processing of thickened sludge. So the net effect that our technology has is we reduce the operating cost, we reduce cost by aeration, the reduction in aeration demand, and we reduce the biosolids formation. And aeration and biosolids treatment make up 80% of a wastewater treatment plant operating cost. So we see a significant impact on the operating cost of a wastewater plant. Some plants where performance is an issue, we'll see improvements in effluent quality. We'll see an increase in the organic load capacity of the plant. The plant can operate at a higher F to M ratio. And we see stimulation of the bacterial populations that are within a wastewater plant environment to do a much better job in treating incoming wastewaters. This is important in low temperature climates as well, as the activity of the bacteria diminish under lower temperatures, and we see that we stimulate the activity of bacteria in low temperature conditions significantly. We've seen that occur in a number of plants in Canada. And thirdly, we tend to reduce odors in all facets of plant operation and biosolids processing.